Mr. Scotty.
Good morning.
It's early, 6:30 something, I think. How is it? 6:38. Yeah, I told you.
So.
Okay, so what do we got going here? You got your shears.
Yeah. So
I went
and bought some really, really good shears to be able to cut the material, because there's times where you can't use a knife or whatever. You need to be able to make specific cuts. That being said, whatever, blah 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 blah. So
There's the OEM color.
here's the factory.
There's shadows in it. You're making shadows, dear.
So here's the.
Now that one came from where? Some Imperial something. Jasmine found it.
Jasmine found it, so that we got a good match.
That's
I was like,
pretty
okay,
damn-
yeah. I mean, that's almost spot on. And I went, okay, great, not a problem. Let's get this all taken care of. I wanted to get a good start this morning. I started early.
Let's get 40 friggin' yards of this stuff.
So I went, all right.
That don't match with the poo-poo, buddy.
Nope.
That's so off, it's not even funny. And that feels more like it's like headliner material as opposed to like side upholstery
Well,
material.
the good part is
Because you have foamy
Yeah.
there.
Well, the good part is this is actually some of the best stuff I've seen in a long time. Reason being is a lot of this stuff has just that certain amount of padding underneath the material. Mm-hmm. This has it already built onto it. So it's actually really, really good.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm actually very, very impressed. This is very good quality. It's perfect.
I bought a roll of that stuff when I did the headliner of my truck.
Okay. And
I actually have a whole roll of that in black if we ever need any.
ooh, aren't we just fabulous and stuff this morning?
No. I
Yeah.
slept an hour.
Yeah, it makes two of us.
Ooh,
So when I pulled,
We've almost got 2 hours of sleep between us.
all right,
But we weren't.
right. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
no, we were at separate places, I
So-
swear. Wait, what? Did I just incriminate ourselves?
No.
Anyway.
So I pulled the sample to match,
Yes.
and it doesn't match.
This is perfection. This is so far off, it's not even funny.
Well, the problem being, let's see if I can get a light going on here. Yeah, I'm absolutely wiped this morning. It's
Yeah.
been a very rough week.
We got lots of stuff to do today, too.
So
When don't we? God, I love that.
I mean, I don't want to assume anything.
Have I mentioned how much I love this?
Oh, this car is absolutely gorgeous.
Ooh, that's sore thumb stick out.
So
It does match. Look at this going up the A post though. Look at that's pretty good.
flawless.
That's
I mean,
dead on.
that's
okay. So
but
that's that one.
But that's the thing is that's maybe
That's the headliner color.
no, that's the A pillar.
Yeah, but is the A pillar and the headliner the same? Yes.
Yeah, so we're good. We're good.
Okay, so that'll blend.
Maybe it's you blend, dear. You blend.
Okay, so that
Yeah, we're
this
good.
is for the headliner. That's what this is. Like I told you. It's
There's the
headliner
other
stuff.
part of the B pillar.
Okay, that looks good.
That's flawless.
Hold on, hold it there. Let me get the original piece. May I?
Yeah.
May I?
So I'm wondering if it's
Or are
maybe
you on the
just
back side?
if it's maybe just the lighting in here. No, that's actually pretty good.
That's not terrible.
No. But it matches what's in the car, so I'm wondering if this is.
Has this been effed with at some point? Let's go check it. Go grab one of the other. I'll hold this. Go grab one of the other. God, it's busy around here. And you know what starts next week, Scotty? The casual concourse push. You think you're tired now? Are we going to go on the roof together and jump off, or are we taking turns?
That's
Okay, that's
yeah.
pretty decent.
So it's just
it's
that
lighting
piece
and
that's-
reflection. That piece is
Yeah.
maybe that was replaced at some point.
Who knows? I mean, like legitimately, who knows?
Okay, so I was gonna freak out and have a knip, but
No, I would prefer to be quadruple checked than to realize, there's a big mistake. So
we don't want no big mistakes.
no. So I am going to get back to work.
Hey, why don't you get back to work?
Right, exactly. I mean, it's
We're not
such a
paying you to be
slacker.
pretty because, God, we'd have to get refunded for that. I'm kidding. God.
I'm smiling.
You're not Jimmy. Jesus. Anyway, I only take shots because it's fun to make fun of Jimmy.
He's a good kid, though.
He's a good lad.
He's getting better as the days progress.
You got to understand, I've known him since he's like 4.
Oh.
And I mean, Nick has too.
Yeah.
So we've watched that kid grow up and screw up, and now he's working his way out of the ditch, basically.
Which is fine.
But
I
he's a
think
good lad.
I think to a point that's the best way to learn. But
Yeah.
now that we've got enough verification, and I know a lot of it's the lighting in here because we're not exactly, shall
This
we
stuff
say,
is- lit.
yeah.
We're not lit, fam.
Don't talk like that.
For real, for real. How's your Riz?
You're about one step from getting kicked in the ding ding if you keep talking like that.
No cap. And with that, Scotty's gonna get back on the old business here.
So,
Drink your coffee so you're not so grouchy.
yeah. Well, trying to get everything prepped and make sure that it's right is important, and I need to be 100% focused, and I'm not 100% awake yet.
I don't know. You seem pretty on for 640 something. Well, that's because you got this fabulous piece going today.
Oh, I love my
Is that
watches.
is that the Porsche?
Yeah, that's the Porsche. That's my Tag
Is
Heuer.
that a Tag Heuer?
Yep.
You fancy son of a bitch.